Have you ever wanted to mine crypto but simply couldn't do that because you lacked the equipment? Crypto mining can definitely be a challenging process, especially with the equipment part. But today I am bringing you guys a project on the table that is going to solve all of these problems just for you. And it will be doing much more. Sounds interesting? Well then, let's dive straight into Wildcoin. Here we are on their website. As we can see, already building a seamless connection between users and the blockchain world Web3 platforms. What is Wildcoin, guys? Well, if you have heard of the famous Pi network, well, I have news for you. This is pretty much the same, but much better. Why? Well, because Pi network is basically just a mobile staking app, right? This is too, but it's bringing much more features onto the table, which we'll explore in just a moment. And if you're not familiar with Pi network, well, Wildcoin is just a platform where it removes the need for equipment to mine cryptocurrency. You can download the program on your mobile phone, create a wallet, and start mining cryptocurrency straight from your phone. So that's very simple. Now, let's go down into the website. What values does Wildcoin propose? It proposes security using latest blockchain technology, experience, direction, user needs always comes first. Wildcoin formulates its roadmap and creates upgrade products around this core principles. Wildcoin, which is their governance token of Wildcoin ecosystem, public for various social platforms. Users can keep abreast of the company's latest developments at stage planning in real time, and community, Wildcoin's community always come first. Now, it is also implementing staking, which is why I mentioned that it's an all-in-one app. It proposes many features, so staking is one of those. Wildcoin Smart Pledge realized asset optimization allocation, guarantees fund security, and locks in stable pledge income. Multiple plans, more earnings, multi-channel, no risk. Here you can see 4 proposals they are offering. So for the first proposal, with an API of 8% and a cycle of 1 day, you'll be able to earn 8% for 1 day of your investment. Now for the second proposal, almost 9% for 7 days. For the third, almost 12% for 30 days. And for the fourth, the last, almost 14% for 90 days, each day yielding you 14% and compounding the returns. So the rates of these investments are definitely insane. Find me a bank who can do this, guys. A little bit about Wildcoin. It's the foundation of the WoW ecosystem for trading and exchanging assets. It empowers the WoW ecosystem, shares the growth dividends of Wildcoin with global participants, fixed total supply, inflationary model, solid value support, value potential leads the era. Here you can see the distribution mechanism is quite simple. 50% for the mining pool, 20% private placement, 15% operation development, 10% funding team, and 5% community incentives. So quite simple tokenomics. Well, of course, we need funding for the team in order for this project to work. So that's no problem. Here we meet the roadmap as well as 5 of these stages, with 2 already being complete. You can read more about this in depth yourselves, guys. I'll leave a link down in the description. But basically they have, as I can see, already a lot of plans that they are planning to complete, and I am sure that they won't be stopping there. One thing that we can cover is that Wildcoin will be listed on major DEX exchanges as well as SEX exchanges on 2024 first quarter, so this is definitely some bullish news. Here we meet the partners, and that's about it for the main website. Now I do want to show off their app where all of the magic happens, and let's go straight into it. Alright, here we are on their app, and as you can see, the user interference is very simple already to use. We can create a wallet as well as import a wallet. You can see the popular tokens, and then if we want to swap those tokens, we can then go ahead to the swap tab and swap whatever currency we like. Now, in the fun part, how can we earn some Wildcoin? So just click over to dApps and go over to WoW or you'll have to have a wallet created in order to use the dApps, of course, because where else will your cryptocurrency go? But basically, once you do that, you just click this pickaxe over here, and then you will start earning some well-earned coin. Very, very easy to use, and you can scroll through thousands of dApps that they have implemented here. If you want anything else, if you want to stake, if you want to, I don't know, use a protocol, they have thousands of dApps of your choice. Again, very simple to use, very simple to understand. Now, let's go back to the website. So back on the website, now that we have covered the app, we have covered the staking, we have covered everything there is, let's compare it to its biggest competitor, Pi Network, which we mentioned at the start. So guys, why would you want to use WildCoin over Pi Network? That's the main question. That's the main reason I'm making this video, because there are over 40 million users currently using Pi Network, which have not yet switched over to WildCoin, and I don't know why. Now, I'm getting this opinion because exactly of this. Pi Network is under scrutiny of Vietnamese authorities. Now listen guys, the Vietnamese Department of Cybersecurity and Technology Crime Prevention initiated an investigation into Pi Network on June 3, 2023. They have expressed concerns regarding the intricate nature of Pi Network's business model, which has not yet been fully structured, and the lack of clarity in its management. Moreover, the issue of transparency assumes a critical role in blockchain projects like Pi Network. There have been apprehensions that these networks could be misused for illicit activities such as fraud or data harvesting. So guys, data harvesting and fraud, this is definitely not where I want my money to be. I wouldn't want my money associated or my name with any of this stuff, and I need to encourage you guys to have it associated too. Now, unlike PiEarn, WildCoin is audited, it's safe, and it's actually regulated. So there is no reason to worry about the potential risks of fraud or data harvesting from their side. And this is the exact reason why I'm choosing them, why I side with them, and why I'm 100% fully with them on this one. They also offer many more features, which Pi Network unfortunately doesn't. Its old ecosystem cannot even provide a dApp, and it's actually very, very, very outdated compared to the newly made WildCoin ecosystem. So guys, that's about it for WildCoin. We have covered the concept, we have covered its competitor, and we have covered points on why it's just an overall better platform to use, guys. You have everything you need: a wallet, a staking mechanism, dApps, earning mechanisms, referrals, whatever you need, a good roadmap, a good team, a good following as well. They have established a substantial following base of over 100,000 followers on Twitter, so make sure to give them a follow. I'll have the link down in the description, so make sure to check it out. Anyways guys, let me know your thoughts on the video. As always, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always guys, stay safe and good luck earning in DeFi. I'll catch you in the next one.